Maysi, I cannot believe this day is finally here. We have been waiting for this day for so long. You are the person I have always dreamed of marrying. I love you so much, Maysi. You are my dream girl. You are everything I have ever wanted.
We were made for this. We were made for this.
You are the perfect wife for me. You are the most beautiful bride, and I can't wait to spend forever with you. It's you and me against the world. I love you.
But I wouldn't ask for more than you.
Brandon, today is the day. It's our wedding day. It's the day I've dreamed of since I was a little girl, and the day I knew would come from the day I fell in love with you. I can't believe we are finally here. Thank you for picking me to be here forever. Thank you for loving me unconditionally. Thank you for giving me your heart and soul. I am so excited for our future together, and I know we will do great things together. I love you, Heart Maysi.
Woo!
Not good.
Thank you. You look good. The shoes look snazzy.
Yeah, everybody keeps giving me compliments on.
I know.
The biggest two things that we share is our love for Christmas and our love for Justin Bieber.
And it didn't take long for me to realize that she was madly in love and that one day we would be here.
They've grown, they've matured, and it's all because of that happiness.
Because they're so sweet to each other and sweet to everyone else around them.
May your marriage bring you more joy and more love into your lives each and every day.
Brandon, I'm not sure a lifetime is long enough to return all you have given to me, but I promise the rest of my days I'll spend by your side. Together we are better than we could ever hope to be alone, and today I give you my love, my trust, and my loyalty forever. You will always be the best part of my day.
Maysi, I promise to hold you when times get hard, to make you laugh when you want to cry, to always make you food when you're feeling snacky. Choosing you has been the easiest decision I've ever made, and I hope it's been the same for you. Because Maysi, today I choose to spend the rest of my life with you.
And now, ministering in the name of Jesus Christ, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.